Alright, Dave, here is my 2004 C5 Corvette targa top entry. Camo wrap, done myself. Got a couple spots where I got a couple Corvette Jake skulls hidden on there. That one not hidden too well, but it's there. Don't have too much done under the hood. It's just, I just try to keep it clean. Painted calipers, done those myself. The anthracite gray wheels, forgot about the front lip I put in. There's another one hidden. There it works. Side skirts, shifter. Interior is basically carbon fiber wrap on the halo. Right here, it's kind of hard to see, but there's a hidden Jake skull under there also. Got little grenades. Custom C5 Corvette fire extinguisher. That's pretty much it. See you looking. There's my entry.